So for maintenance is, yeah, we get it. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Mavis, and today I'm going to show you how I refresh my crochet braids and how I maintain them. This has been a requested video, and yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get on with the video. So here you can see one side is matted, the other side I already did it prior to this video, so I'm going to show you step by step. So first we start with detangling the other area. We use a white tooth comb to detangle it. So this is just a process of refreshing the braids. After detangling it, I will go in with my blow dryer that I got from Jumia. You can see I'm using medium heat. If you want it to be silky, use full burn heat, but be careful. But if you want it to still have the fullness, medium heat is good. After that, I just go through it slowly to ensure everything is just detangled well and not tugging at my hair. Pretty much, yeah. So for maintenance is, yeah, we get it. Clearly talking directly wasn't quite working well, so I'm just gonna take you through the necessary things that you need to maintain your crochet braids. You need a white tooth comb just to detangle it. Then you also need a spray, which you need to use sparingly, just to give the hair like some shine, so that people cannot know it's not your hair, yeah. Then next this is a must-have. This is edge control for hair. For my fussy edges, I use the Gorilla Snot gel. Definitely, this is a must-have. Then a silk bonnet while going to sleep. Definitely, you know. Then to take care of the braids underneath, we need a moisturizer. Okay, for my moisturizer, I use the Calm Maintenance anti-jackies. It's really moisturizing. Pretty much that's it. And also one more thing, if you want to recurl your hair, do buy the flexi rods as well. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the maintaining and refreshing of the crochet braids. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Thank you.